Hello everyone and welcome back to the channel. So today we have another Amazon mystery box for you. I did end up getting this from the same people that I had gotten the other one from, the GRP liquidations, and I believe their boxes were on sale for like $45, but then with shipping it was like a little over $50 for this box with shipping. I did get another mystery box too, but it's not an Amazon one. So make sure you stay tuned to the channel because I'll also have that one on here too. But let's go ahead and get this open. I'm anxious to see what we got in this one because it is super heavy. So I got a feeling it's probably going to be like pop, maybe. I'm sure it's nothing good. Oh, I can already see a whole bunch of clothes. I mean, a whole bunch of clothes. The dress for women's. This is a small. These are like vacuum packed. We're gonna go ahead and let's scan this and see what it gives us. Oh, okay. So it's this dress right here. So it looks like we got it says it's a V-neck dress, and I think these all might be the same size. So it looks like we got a small, and then, oh, this one's actually been unvacuum packed, so this one's been opened. Another small. I think these are all smalls. Oh no, here's a large. We do have a large. Another large, and I think it was saying each one of these retail for $17.99. Yeah. So that's actually not bad. So let's round up how many of these we got. Oh, we even got them in different colors. It looks like we got looks like a green. Yeah, it looks like a forest green color. So. Oh my goodness, there's a lot. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. We have 13, 14, 15. Oh, these are different. Oh wait, I think there's, oh yeah, these are different. Okay, so hold on. Yep, these are different. So we have 13 of these dresses. Holy cow. Oh wait, hold on, there's some more on the side. 14. We have 14 of these dresses. So, I mean, that's not bad for $17.99 a piece. And then, okay, these were what I thought were dresses, but they're not. They're actually something else. So let's scan these and see what these are. I need one with a good mark. Oh, okay, so these are more dresses. So this is what this dress is. I'm assuming they must have, oh yeah, sorry. It's actually this one. Because these have colored flowers on them. That one was showing white. So it's actually this one right here. And this one is actually going for $24.99. So, and we've got 1, 2, 3, 4 of these. So that was a pretty good score too. And then we've got some of these little picks. They're probably for like cupcake, yep, cupcake toppers. And these are kind of cute. We got little spacemen. Oh my gosh, there are so many of these. What are these ones? These look like little dragons, maybe? But yeah, I'm not sure. Yeah, they're dragons. It does say dragon. So we've got how many of these? We got 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. Looks like we got 14 of these. Let's see how much these retail for. I'm not seeing them be a crazy amount, but we will see. Yep, cupcake toppers. Don't see these exact ones, but they're about $6.99. So, and we have, I forget how many of these now. Quite a few of them. So these are $6.99 a piece. So we have all of these, and then we've got these spacemen. So we've got quite a few of these spacemen too. More, oh, looks like more. Did find another thing of dragons. And then it looks like we've got Russell Athletics. Oh, they're shorts. Oh, okay. And they're a 2XO. Okay. Let's just see what these are worth. I don't know if these ones are gonna scan, but we will see. So this isn't an actual Amazon barcode. Oh, they did actually scan. So this is what these shorts are. And these actually come out to be $16.44 for these shorts. So that's not bad. And then we got one item left, guys. This box was pretty much all of the same thing. I have not gotten lucky yet and got, why do I see people getting iPads, earpods, stuff like that? Nope. I'm getting Kellogg's Frosted Flakes, guys. Really? Let's see. I think these are like little cereal cups. Yeah, they sure are. Alright. Good thing I like Frosted Flakes. Because I got plenty of them to eat. We're not going hungry this week. Alright guys, that looks like that was it for this box. Yep, that is pretty much it. So, I mean, all in all, I'll make my money back with all the clothes and these cupcake toppers, which will probably take 5 years to sell. But, you know, I mean, all in all, the box was okay. I mean, I like the dresses. Maybe I can actually keep one for myself. We'll see. But, sorry for all the ruckus. I got dogs that like to do this right when I start to record. But yeah, guys, I appreciate it. I do have another box. I'm not going to tell you guys what's in that mystery box because I want it to be a surprise. but it is not an Amazon one. It is going to be a different mystery box. So make sure if you're not subscribed, you subscribe. So you guys get notifications when I upload a new video. But yeah, I appreciate it, guys. Thank you. Bye.